our top 7 is Chavit Singson. The former Ilocos Sur governor has withdrawn from the senatorial race. 83-year-old Singson said he is no longer pursuing his Senate bid, citing health concerns. He explained that campaigning is no easy task, especially the responsibilities of a senator. In the ballot face released by the COMELEC, Singson was number 58 in the ballot. Yan. O, the other day yan lumabas kasi nagka-pneumonia si former Governor Chavit Singson. Tapos may mga complications sa kanyang medications. And he feels na very tiring kasi ang campaign so hindi kakayanin ng katawan niya.
Si Manong Chavit, no? Diba,
he was here.
He was sa studio. When you see him in the way he's walking around, he's a little, not the Chavit that you're used to. Yung mabilis na malakas. So, medyo weak. Medyo makikita mo may konting kaidaran na talagang lumalabas So, and if you're going to put somebody like at that age in the rigors of a campaign, and then magkakaroon ka pa ng term ng sa Senado, thrice a week, 4 times a week ka mag-hearing. Ang assumption mo pa is wala kang mga committee hearing, ang hirap sa health ng isang tao.
Sabi niya sa ibang pagkakataon na lang or sa ibang paraan na lang siya tutulong doon sa mga advocacies niya. Pero yun nga tinatanong dito kasi the COMELEC has already printed the ballot, 'di ba? Yung pinag-usapan nga natin.
I-void lang nila yan.
Pwedeng i-void kapag may bumoto sa kanya, i-void lang yung kanya pangalan unless sabi nga ng COMELEC may mag-substitute. Pero 'di ba, ang usapan natin sa substitute dito same family name, hindi na katulad ng dati.
Anak ni Gov.
Hindi na katulad dati na kung sino-sino yung pwedeng mag-substitute.
Ang anak kasi ni Gov dati, di ba? Congressman dati rin.
Yes, Tsaka tapos na ata yung substitution November yun Pero ngayon kasi kung biglang ganito may health reasons.
Same name.
Oo, same name. Pero I doubt it Pero yun nga, kahit naka-print na yun sa ballot, pwede naman daw ma-void na lang. Yun naman sinasabi ng COMELEC, di ba? When they printed the ballot, they can actually adjust yung pag mag-lessen, pero hindi sila pwedeng mag-add.
Yeah.
Diba?